Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a new post on Substack. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on substack.com and then get on the top right corner. Now select your profile icon. Now select writer dashboard. Now select posts. Now select new post. Now select on post, and if you want to go with audio, video, thread or new note, you can choose however you like. Now I'm going with this one. Now you need to write down the title. Now here the subtitle, and then here you can start writing about your post. And after doing all of these, you just need to select on this continue button, which is on your top right corner. Now you can select the tags here, and after scrolling down till the last, you need to select on send to everyone now, which is on your bottom right corner. Now select on add subscribe buttons and then select on continue. And after selecting the send to everyone now, which is on your bottom right corner, now guys, as you can see that the new post has been uploaded on Substack. So that's how you guys can successfully upload a new post on Substack, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.